Regular maintenance is essential to keep your Structural Concepts units operating efficiently and reliably. Every unit is unique, so always refer to your operating manual for proper care and cleaning. This video provides general best practices. Wipe down all exterior panels, decks, and acrylic surfaces. Use mild soap and a soft cloth. Never use ammonia-based glass cleaner on acrylic. Clean the magnetic condenser coil and filter each week to keep airflow clear. If airflow is blocked, you'll see an LP error code on the controller. Remove the panel. Take out the filter, clean off the dust, wash with warm, soapy water, dry, and replace. Carefully vacuum dust and debris from the condenser coil without bending the fins. If your case is equipped with Clean Sweep, the condenser coil only needs to be cleaned once every 6 months. Every 3 months, clean the evaporator coil and tub, and under the case. Power off and unplug the unit. Wipe the fan blades. Clean and drain the tub, and check the drain plug. Pull the condenser package out. Clean and drain the pan. If you need to use a descaler, follow the directions on the product and wipe off any remaining residue. If your unit has multiple condenser packages, make sure the connecting hose is clean and clear of any obstructions. Vacuum under the case to keep airflow clear. When finished, reassemble, level, and restore power. Always merchandise with pre-chilled products only. Merchandisers are designed to keep items cold and maintain temperature, not to cool product down. And remember, never overload the shelves. Too much product can block airflow in the unit. Follow the 5-10-15 rule. Keep cases 5 feet from windows, 10 feet from vents, and 15 feet from doors. Keep airflow paths clear. Refer to your product's user manual for exact clearance requirements. Keep the environment at 75 degrees Fahrenheit and 55% humidity. Higher levels can cause the case to malfunction and the condensation pan to overflow. Never turn off the AC at night. Temperature and humidity must remain consistent 24/7. Check that the case is level for proper drainage. Scan the QR code on your case or visit structuralconcepts.com for your unit's manual. Structural Concepts, delivering fresh, always.